These AI vehicle reassembling videos are getting millions of views right now, and almost nobody is creating them yet. One Instagram page gained over 11,000 followers just by posting videos like these. Some of their videos have already reached over 2 million views. Now watch what I created using the exact same method in less than 2 minutes. No editing, no expensive software, just ChatGPT, Google Labs, and CapCut. Let me show you exactly how I made it. The entire process only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. I already created the master prompt for you. You can download it for free from my Telegram. Copy the entire prompt. Next, open ChatGPT. Paste the master prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a viral vehicle idea, an image prompt, and an animation prompt. Now open Google Labs. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Google Labs. Then generate your image. Once your image is ready, copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Labs, and generate the animation. Finally, open CapCut, import your animation, trim the clip if needed, then export your final video. This was the final result. That's just one example. You can create sports cars, motorcycles, supercars, classic cars, trucks, construction vehicles, or almost any vehicle you can imagine. If you want more viral AI niches, free prompts, and the best AI tools, subscribe to Artur AI. All prompts are available for free in my Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.